Welcome back everybody to Funkidista TV. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Before we dive into the major news when I want to discuss today, I want to let all of us know that the news making round everywhere about the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra says Nnamdi Kanu is looking very, very strong and healthy in the Department of State Service Detention Center. There is this one honorable from Umwa here that visited him on Thursday. So, but the news won't bring me come here now about PDP once again and Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Remember, according to them, they said they are oppositions. Okay? Nothing when Bola Ahmed Tinubu go do, when go satisfy oppositions. Not only Atiku Abubakar, PDP, both other political parties, because they are oppositions. That is why they are oppositions. They don't agree with each other's policies. Okay? Whatever Bola do, PDP no go like him. Whether good or whether bad or they no go ever like him. They must to call him out. Politics is very, very dangerous. PDP, the same thing. If PDP today, they in power, there is nothing when they are the PDP presidential candidate or PDP president governing Nigeria, nothing when that particular fellow go do as a president when APC as oppositions no go criticize or other political parties. Now remember, the news tell us say the president of Nigeria, when Bola Ahmed Tinubu, appointed Miss Bianka OJUKWU or Mrs. Bianka OJUKWU, anyone want put her, the wife to the late Biafran leader, Mwembi Odimegu OJUKWU. Tinubu appointed her as the foreign minister. Okay? Remember, she's an Igbo woman from Biafran land. And the past government of Nigeria, when be still APC people, Muhammadu Buhari, na an Igbo man, if you remember, Onyema. Igbo man, na him they appointed as their foreign minister as well. That is the Buhari team. So, as Bola appointed this woman, the oppositions won't be the PDP political party, then get something to tell us about this Bola Tinubu's appointment. Then they tell us, say, every move when Bola Ahmed Tinubu they make, not be about Nigeria. It's all about himself. For example, the appointment of this woman that we are looking into, when be Bianka OJUKWU, the new appointed foreign minister of affairs. PDP, they don't come out. They say, no, this move not be better move. Say na political move. Bola Tinubu won't gain from the eastern region. That is why he appointed this lady. So make we go see how them talk and pass. Because I know if he explain them better than the way when they take tell all of us in the news. Everything Bola Ahmed Tinubu does is about power. He is nothing if not for politics. Now one man, he tell us this thing. The man named na Demola OJUKWU na another Yoruba person. This name is very, very familiar. It's a Yoruba name. And this person is from Yoruba land. From OJUKWU land. Gone. So, according to the report from Daily Post, Demola OJUKWU, a key digital strategist for former presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar of the People Democratic Party, PDP, has criticized President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's recent appointment of BIANKA OJUKWU as Minister of State of Foreign Affairs, calling the move a political calculation, unlikely to sway voters in the Southeast region in the 2027 presidential election. Now, it be like say this Demolela or whatever. It be like say non-notion of politics that they play. It be like say PDP forget say waiting then they fight for. Now who go win? Who go be the leader? Who go grab that power? The strategies where want to grab the power. APC have their strategy to grab their power, and that is what they are playing on. PDP should also have their own. They have before when they are in power. I don't know if they have any strategy now because they are no more winning any election. Imagine somebody like Dino Malai, only 46,000 people voted for him, his own state. So Demolela got to know, say, now politics than they play. This is Bola Ahmed Tinubu strategy to win any constituency. Okay? If Bola Ahmed Tinubu appointed this woman as Minister of Foreign Affairs in order to win the Biafran vote, bro, that is the strategy. That is the level, because you guys are fighting for power. Okay? Tinubu positioning himself to continue to lead Nigeria from 2027. If Peter Obi and Labour Party people and other political parties, they not put their acts together, there is nothing you can say about this. It is politics. When PDP dey for power, we know things when they do. So Bola Tinubu have the right to appoint anybody he want to appoint anywhere, anytime in Nigeria. That is the game of politics. All of them won't win. Tinubu won't win come 2027. Then this political party, when they criticize Tinubu of this super strategy, then self won't win. So play your own game. Allow the old man to play his own game. That is the game. Not be today when I begin appoint people in this form. That is the game. That is the politics. So make una stop criticizing the president in this manner, because now fight, all of una the fight. I mean political fights. Everybody want to win. Everybody want to win. If una not put on our hearts together, like I said before, Bola Tinubu will win the whole Nigeria. He go take over the whole Nigeria by rigging, and also people will still come out massively for him. That is the game, because now rigging is part of politics. All of us don't understand how they play the game. That is why I say, you see, if you know, say, una when be PDP, una go fit strategize in this same form when Bola Ahmed Tinubu to strategize. Oh yeah, nobody go verse for una. So that is the politics when una they play. They have the right, and not only that, ladies and gentlemen, Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the fully elected president of Nigeria has the right to appoint anybody he want to appoint. That's all. He's a president. He's your president. So that is the game. So, in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, Olorunwaju argued that BIANKA OJUKWU lacked the electoral influence Tinubu might be helping to leverage in the southeast, noting BIANKA OJUKWU has zero electoral value and not one single obedient voter in the southeast will switch to bat for her sake, not one. Olorunwaju, in a lengthy critique, described Tinubu's political strategy as a constantly power-driven, remarking, "Understand first of all that Tinubu is nothing if not political. Everything he does is about power. If he opposes subsidy in 2012, everything he does is about power. If he opposes subsidy in 2012, it is power. If he upholds it in 2024, it is power. It is for power," he said. He contended that Tinubu's political maneuvers are often calculated, questioning the authenticity of his alliance. And I'm not sure that man has had even one genuine friendship in the past 3 decades, unless there is some political leverage or advantage to be gained, Olorunwaju added. He went on to highlight Tinubu's exciting foothold in the southeast, where the All Progressive Congress APC hold governorships in 2 states and Senate seats across Ebonyi, Imo, and Abia State. He said APC is currently governors in 2 states of Southeast. All 3 senators from Ebonyi, 2 from Imo, and 1 from Abia, where Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu is from, and where Ebola Tinubu University of Nigeria languages may soon be cited. Reflecting on Tinubu's appeal in the 2023 election, Olorunwaju suggested that the APC's Southeast votes were not indicative of widespread support, but rather a result of strategy, region-based sentiments. Recall also that Bola Ahmed Tinubu APC scored more votes in the Southeast than Atiku Abubakar PDP. Those statements underscore the polarized reaction to Tinubu's political tactics, which critics questioning whether these moves are genuine effort towards regional unity or tactical placement for election outcome. If they want any so-called regional unity, the only thing they can do is just to release Nnamdi Kanu. Full stop. There is no other way to do that than to release Nnamdi Kanu. When the court don't tell them release Nnamdi Kanu. Okay. Now, of course, it is political. This is a strategy by APC and Bola Ahmed Tinubu to win the heart of the southeastern part of Nigeria.